you can make, you can only draw one picture, and I drew Santa. And
turn it around so we can see. Very nice.
And we made some crafts. This is a fence. You can hang it up on your wall because there's like a little string, and you glue it on so you can hang it on your wall if you want to.
Okay.
And you can make a nice picture frame like this.
Oh.
There's directions how to make the this, and it's a house, and you can put a picture frame in it.
Okay.
And you get a prize. After you do all those things, you can get a prize. This is the certificate, and you get it when you're going to be leaving.
Okay.
And of course, I got a elf hat.
Let's see it on.
You get a elf hat and a cute reindeer.
Oh, do you have a name for your reindeer yet?
No. I'm going to call it reindeer.
Just going to call it reindeer?
I'm going to call it reindeer.
Okay. That's pretty crazy you got an elf hat. Now it's nice and tall, huh? Very cool.
And we did crafting today, and we are going to do it sometime. Well, and when I get my Christmas list all done, then we are going to go to that same place where we went to the crafting and see Santa, because Santa's there, and we're going to see Santa.
And who did you talk to today? You didn't talk to Santa, but who did you talk to? Tell them.
Mrs.
What? Who stopped to say hi to you and talk to you?
Mrs. Claus.
Was she nice?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So you're going to go back and visit her and see Santa?
Yes.
All right.
When I get my Christmas list all done, I only have some American Girl stuff on my Christmas list, but I have to find some stuff that I want for me for my Christmas list.
Yes.
And then I'm going to go see Santa.
Okay. Sounds good. Say goodbye.